it's Brooke with WTI. If you have a family of men or boys, you've got to check out this deodorant by Old Spice. This is a Fiji Palm Old Spice deodorant, and it smells amazing, almost like we're traveling. A lot better than the other scents that you don't want to smell.
I really like this antiperspirant because it lasts all day. It keeps my family smelling good all day long. And it's really easy to use, and it's not sticky. It goes on smooth, and it doesn't have a nasty thick film to it. The scent is lovely, and it doesn't mix with the nasty scents of our body in an ugly way. I like that it is very durable even during sweatier times when we're working out. And this comes with a pack of 3, and they're 3.4 ounces. I feel like this goes a very long way.
So if you want to help out your family and you want them to smell nice, I definitely recommend this. This works for them, and we love it, but that's just our point of view.